Animal testing is very expensive. It costs $32,000 for one experiment.
The amount of money used on animal experimentation goes toward a good cause. The medical breakthroughs they improve human life, and that's why the amount of money is necessary. It's not wasted.
Animals die for no human benefit. 87% of experiments do not work.
Animals do die for human benefit. The vaccines that we use, they improve human life to keep us healthy, to keep us alive longer. They all die for a good cause, the ones that do die.
Animals suffer like humans do. If humans and animals are so similar, then an animal would have the same feelings of being locked up in a cage and mistreated.
Animals don't have the same feelings as humans in that such case. Animals don't have the same emotions or feelings that humans do. They have instincts, which only shows them either danger or hunger.
Religious traditions tell us to be merciful to animals. Religions like Hinduism treat animals with a lot of respect. It is a central thing in their culture.
Religion, they dominion humans over animals. Jewish, Christian, and Muslim teachings allow experimentation with animals as long as there is no unnecessary pain to the animal, or as long as there is a benefit to human beings.
Medical breakthroughs involving animals are unnecessary. There is no evidence that medical breakthroughs were only made possible with animal testing.
They were not used with only animal testing. There must be some sort of experiment used on humans to get the exact results, but the humans themselves volunteer for it. They aren't caged up like the animals are.
Animal testing is cruel and inhumane. Animals are commonly force-fed, kept in cages for long periods of time, and not given enough water and food.
There are laws that require that animal researchers take good care of the animals. Not all are kept in small cages or tied up. They are required, otherwise it is legal.
Animal testing can mislead scientists. Some drugs are harmful to humans, but not animals.
That is why we are researching to figure out what is the problem with the medicines and vaccinations that we have. We need to get as close to humans as possible to get the correct results.
95% of research animals are not covered by the Animal Welfare Act. This requires that minimum standards of care and treatment be provided for animals.
However, there are laws that are passed that all animals under experimentation are treated correctly and are not used inhumanely.
Animals are different from humans. 95% of drugs that pass animal tests fail human tests.
Not all tests are going to be perfectly clear. They are different, but the reason for the testing is to get as close as possible. Chimpanzees are 99% of the same DNA as humans, and mice are 98%, which are the two biggest types of animals they get tested on. We need them to get as close as possible to humans before testing them on some voluntary humans, then to get the results that we need.
The results may not always be correct. The sleeping pill caused 10,000 babies to be born with birth defects. The results will not always be correct. The sleeping pill caused 10,000 babies to be born with birth defects.
The birth defects were first caused in animals. That was the thalidomide disaster, which caused many birth defects in mice, monkeys, rabbits, birds, etc. That's the reason for the research, to figure out what the problems are in the medicines and to use them on animals to find out before they're harmful to humans.
Alternative testing methods now exist that can replace the need for animals. Studying cell cultures in a petri dish can be more relevant to animal testing.
Petri dish testing is not as in-depth as animal testing is. Petri dish testing only uses some cells in a dish and is injected with whatever vaccine or disease we are researching, and does not give the full conclusions. We need a full living body system that is close to human beings as possible to give us the results that we need.